Hello everybody, you are on Andriy channel and today I'm going to tell you how to make your machine work much faster. I'm selling laptops and actually I know how to make any laptop work much faster. In this video we will not talk about special program that will make your old laptop work much faster and better than professional gaming PC. So there are three simple steps. First, forget about using old HDD. I mean, if we're talking about hard drive on which install our operating system. If you want to use HDD to save your file, photos, games, etc., probably you can use it. But if you want to use hard drive to run your operating system, I could not recommend using all HDD. If you use SSD, it increases your speed in several times. On my channel, I already make video where I test this SSD and Western Digital Black hard drive. The difference between them are significant. So, if you have a chance, I do not recommend using HDD. Use SSD. If you have a newer model, you can try to use M2 drive and it will be much faster than this SSD. The second, do you realize how much RAM affects the performance of your laptop or computer? For example, we have two laptops, Dell E6440, and they have similar specification, same CPU, same SSD, and they have both 4 GB of RAM. But what if I say that one laptop will work much faster? Simple to understand. Dual channel mode is much better than single channel mode, and it increases FPS in games, especially if you have integrated video card. On my channel I already make video where I test Dell E5470 laptop in dual channel mode and in single channel mode. So, and the third and the most important step that you need to do is to clean your laptop or computer, and then it will work much faster. Sometimes you need to disassemble your laptop and change thermal paste. If you don't do this process often, the temperature can heat up a lot and probably you can see the throttling of your CPU. The main reason why you need to clean your computer, because in future probably it could turn off and never turn on again. Believe me friend, I saw that several times. Probably if you don't have experience cleaning laptop or computer, you just can take it to the service and the guys will do their work. And then your machine will work 100% good. So what conclusion do you get for yourself? First, you need to use SSD and forget about HDD if you want to increase speed of your operating system. Second, you need to use dual channel mode and forget about single channel mode. And the third, you need to clean your machine, because this is also very important. So guys, if this video was useful for you, please like it and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It will help me a lot. Also, I want to say thank you to my donators. You make my day, you make my channel, because I have a very small channel and your donate helped me to make a lot of interesting video. Goodbye everyone, see you soon.